तुम बहुत लकी हो अगर तुम्हें ये वीडियो मिला। अगर तुम्हें भी फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलना है और तुम्हारे पास पार्टनर ही नहीं है, और अगर तुम इतना टाइम ही नहीं निकाल पाते हो कि तुम इंग्लिश टाइम ही निकाल नहीं पाते, देन दिस वीडियो इज़ डेफिनेटली फॉर यू। In 2026, if you are not using technology, then you are just fooling yourself. Let me show you 3 effective ways of improving your English effortlessly without any partner you required. So the first is using your mobile keyboard. Most of the people now search of different apps to practice. Practice. Here is how you do it. English speaking. Here you know what there is already built-in technique that can help you to improve your English. Here is how you do it. First, open your keypad and then go to the mic option. Then tap the cross section that hides the keyboard, that you don't fall for typing again. Then this will help you to improve English, but it will take time because initially to audio text in keyboard. Because you are daily using this keyboard, this will help you to be in consistency, so that you do not lose the habit to use this feature. Unlike you use other apps, that ultimately you lose the habit to continue with that app to improve your English. Even after watching this video, you're gonna forget this. So to keep habit, just use this once from your keyboard and comment down how your day went. Then second method is using your WhatsApp or message audio message. We in today's world, we all use WhatsApp or Instagram. So we usually text them. When we text someone, our thoughts and conversation from mind goes through the channel of your finger. Similarly, if you use audio message, this will not only improve your spoken English but also help you to be confident in person when you speak to someone, as you are channeling your thoughts and message through your mouth about anything. And audio mode is the fastest way among the three methods. This is the audio mode is the fastest method because it channels the thoughts and feelings of your through your mouth. And this not only improves your spoken English, but it also help you to improve your pronunciation and vocabulary, because you think different words and try different words when you speak to someone in audio mode. So in audio mode you have three benefits. That is, you will improve your spoken English, as well as you can improve your conversation, as well as you can improve your pronunciation. Third method is using AI models to help you to improve your to get you a partner. So in 2026, if you are not using AI or AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini, then you are just again and again fooling yourself, because in era of technology and AI, you are just being backward with the trends. So here comes how do you effortlessly use Gemini to improve effortlessly English using AI models. Then you can use live mode to get a partner, so you can improve your English. You can say this prompt like, Gemini, I want to improve my spoken English. So question me about me, daily activities and my day and my personality. Until I say stop at the end of the video, I can tell you for sure that within 10 days from now, 110% sure that you will see the result within 10 days from now. So now immediately close the app and start record yourself in front of your camera and just and speak about your day, and just keep it for 10 days, and then again come and again record yourself after 10 days and see how is your English different from today's. Today you record, then after applying this any of the three method, you will see the result within 10 days. And lastly, you know what you have to do now.